And actually, I am Spanish. I shit you not. My actual name is David Muñoz Ferrando. Thank you. And I was just in Spain for 2 weeks. And fuck, the siesta is great. I fucking love it. And it was a wonderful time. And when we left, like my girlfriend and I went there, and when we left, Moscow was having minus 18 degrees. We came back to 8 degrees. We're like, he fucking fixed the thermostat finally. Well done! Spring is almost here. Just another month. So everyone keeps telling me. Anyway, but while I was there, I was, we were traveling. I went to Madrid. We went to actually the city I was born in, Zaragoza, which is actually an adaptation of the word Caesar Augusta, because it's Roman. True fact. And there's Roman walls. But the thing was, we ended up catching a blah blah car from Zaragoza back to Madrid. And we were talking to this guy, and we were discussing some things and stuff, and blah blah blah, blah blah blah. And we ended up going on about national anthems. Sorry. So each country's national anthem. Now, I find it kind of interesting because in a way they do represent the country. And like, for example, in Australia, it starts off with the lyrics, Australians all let us rejoice, for we are young and free. Isn't that beautiful? Young and free. I mean, sure, the indigenous people were there for 40 to 60,000 years, but fuck it, we ignore them. They never existed before us. Whitey arrived and we took over and it's young, alright? And we gave you freedom. You were just running around having fun on your own. No, we gave you government, rules and regulations. And then we go on about the whole land is, abundant with nature's gifts and shit like that. Because we like to show off, the fact that we have these weird animals. Even the national animal for us on our coat of arms is a kangaroo and an emu. It's pretty much showing off going, you ain't got this shit. We're weird. So we have that. And when it came to Russia, you guys have the bear. Big, strong animal. Get in my way, I'll rip your face off. You have a national anthem that scares the living shit out of people. Just it's like, Jesus Christ. Pretty much, it really does explain Russia. Do not mess with me, and I will sit on the metro like this. And you just have to fucking deal with it. Go ahead. Thank you. So yeah, that was that one. The Americans, the land of the brave, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Basically, we're the leaders of freedom. And we will tell you how to do it. Because we're regal, like a bald-headed eagle. We know more than you. Shut the fuck up, do it our way. So that's always that one. And I always found, it's interesting, the animals and the national anthems. In Spain, the animal is the bull. Strong. And cunt doesn't know where it's going. Easily led around with a red cape. Where'd he go? Shit, there he is. But do you know the lyrics of the Spanish national anthem? Exactly. There are no fucking lyrics. It's just a song. And I think there's two reasons for this. One, the guy who wrote the lyrics was taking a siesta and just forgot to do it and just went, yeah, no, I did not finish this. No, do we need to do lyrics? And I think the other reason is, have any of you ever been in a bar in Spain? Yeah? How fucking loud is it? They don't even play music in bars because there's no fucking point. They are just loud. I come from a Spanish family. I know I'm fucking loud. I went to Spain and I just went, oh my God, that's even worse. They're just loud. So I think the greatest sign of patriotism was just to shut the fuck up. It was, we're going to do the national anthem. Pedro, do you want to take a seat? Fuck man! Where's your patriotism? Shut the fuck up! Seriously, girls, if you're dating a Spanish guy, if he shuts up and listens, Marry him. He loves you. He loves you. And I love all these things. But the one that I love the most though, is when it comes to animals, is England, who has the lion. Why the fuck do they have the lion? There are no lions in England. But it shows, it represents. They go to other places, they steal the statues, they steal the mummies, they just stole the fucking emblem from Africa. They just went, yeah, I'll take that. That looks awesome. Thank you very much. And the Scottish have the fucking unicorn. Doesn't even exist. Like their independence. Good night, thank you very much.